Today we're going to be demoing Tabi Connect, Hubtek's automation platform. In the transportation industry, we are plagued with manual processes, tying down our human labor so they cannot focus on revenue generating tasks. Three of the main processes that we provide automation for is rate quoting, order entry, and carrier sourcing. By freeing up your people's time so they can focus on human tasks, you not only increase your efficiency, but also drive your profitability. What I want to show you first is the automation for order entry. Here's a typical order that you may receive from a customer. Pickup location, consignee, piece count, pallet count, weight. To speed up this process, to provide the automation, these orders will get sent directly to Tabi. In this environment, her trigger to let her know to start working is an email that she receives in her inbox. So I'm going to forward this email on, and then I'm going to pull up the virtual machine where she lives and works. Here's her inbox. As you can see, the email is just received. Now, for a demo environment, we slow down the automation. We add delays in there so it's easier to follow. In a real life environment, the time it takes for Tabi to receive a load, open the email, read the PDF, and input into your TMS, on average takes 40 seconds. So we slow it down. So for this environment, it's going to take about 1.5 minutes. So she has received the email, and she is currently extracting the structured information. And what you're going to see here in a moment is that she is then going to pull up an example of a TMS and input the information that she has extracted. What's great about Tabi, our automation platform, is that she is completely agnostic with systems. She does not require API connections. She can actually log into your TMS with a username and password just like an employee or a new hire would. This is also the same for customer portals, for rate engines, for your CRM, or any other systems that you use. This gives you the ability to connect multiple systems, automate the process, and have corporate control over the SOPs and how things should be done. So here you can see that she's entering the origin, destination, pickup date and time, and she'll then save the order. So operationally, your salespeople no longer have to be building loads. They can focus on revenue generating tasks. So loads will come into Tabi's inbox. That triggers her to turn on, log into your TMS, build the order, all within 45 seconds. Now the power Tabi has doesn't stop there. What we also can do is provide the ability for Tabi to read unstructured free-form text. In this example, we have a free-form text that a customer sent over looking for a rate quote. LA, California, Denver, Colorado. We know how often this happens all throughout the day. These requests, whether they come from a portal as structured information or from a customer free-forming text, will get sent to Tabi. She'll open up the email, read it, extract the information she needs, such as pickup location, destination, equipment, class, weight, and will perform the rate quoting process that you have laid out, checking multiple different data points, and then using this data to make more educated decisions in the future for dialing in your margin. Now, similar to how you just saw, that Tabi can go to a TMS and input information, she can then go to multiple rate engines and extract information, whether they're load boards, internal databases, and other external databases. Now, with free-form text, there's always a chance of exceptions. So how do you manage these? A human is not going to have to do the entire process. She's going to have to create some sort of correction. In this demo environment, we have flagged that freeform text as an exception. So you'll go to Tabi Connect, our middleware that gives you control over the automation. And here you can then view the request. So here is the email I just sent over. You see on the side pane. She then categorizes and marks the entities that are needed from the quote request, such as 53-foot dry van, LA, California, with the origin zip, to Denver, Colorado. She then inputs that extracted information into the fields. Now, if there is an exception, for instance, your customer says a load picking up from the LA warehouse, where you know LA warehouse means Long Beach, California, you can input that right here. Make the correction, click quote now, and then she will continue on with the quoting process that you have laid out. So even though there are exceptions, there's a significant efficiency gain as you don't have a human looking at the quote for a couple of seconds instead of not at all or several minutes. The results of automation are extremely powerful. You are now able to respond to every quote request, eliminating your missed opportunities, make more educated decisions in the future about how you should quote, the type of margin you should add on, and what the market can withstand. But then eliminate data entry so your humans can focus on human tasks and no longer have errors that eventually lead up to lost revenue.